Hello fellow geeks, following my love to Thinkpads and in particular T430 and T480. Arguably, but not many, maybe arguably, sorry, but the ones that I really like, and I think that they are like the awesomest, the most awesome Thinkpads ever, like this T480. With a mix 150 graphics card. There is something should be in between, you know, something that was good but in between of T430 and T480. And if we will take a look in general, everything there was bad except of one, and that one is a direct enemy of this one. If this didn't exist, I would have that one, and that one is this one. I've got it, guys, I've got it. T470p. This particular unit has cracks. Corporate life didn't spare it, but it works, and screen works, and this is 2K screen, nice IPS matrix. It is a really good ThinkPad. I like it very much, but as you can see, we need to do some care and attention to this one, and that's what we're gonna perform right now. Care and attention. I will change thermal sheet to something better. I will try to, or maybe I should not. Yeah, it's cracked, but only this side is like pretty dangerous. I will see what I can do. I will try to patch this, and of course maybe the first thing to do is to remove this somehow. Yeah, fuck this. Now it is very clean. If I will ever need to hide camera on this laptop, I will use black tape. I hate this. Maybe this crack appeared because of this thing. It is metal. Wow, what a bad design, what a bad solution. Idiotic solution for corporate problems. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this laptop. And the first, as you can see, we have European keyboard, and frankly speaking, I don't like it. We need to do something about this. This is kind of weird. It is the wrong keyboard. Damn it. This glue definitely worn out. I wonder if I can repunk the battery. Keyboard. Works, button works, everything works. Right, we have a nice little machine. With 32 gigs of RAM, 7820 HQ CPU, and yeah, I think we have discrete graphics and hopefully it will not overheat and die on us, because this one is pretty old already. Thanks everyone, we did what we could. This what was not make it or break it, because this laptop is a side quest and it will be donated to someone. It will live 20 more years or even more, because these laptops were made to last. However, they are pretty much outdated by this point in terms of no USB-C, no additional ports for NVMe drive and so on. So we're kinda limited, but I think we'll do it. We'll be good. Thanks everyone and bye.